Hi, I'm OBED KB. It feels so good to be back. First off, I want to thank all my subscribers and everyone that has been watching my videos. Thank you so much. I believe you must have noticed I've not been posting videos for some time now. It's mostly because of work, and a lot has been going on really behind the scenes. But thankfully, I am back now, and it feels so good to be back. And then also you might have noticed that for the OGs now, you might have noticed there are little changes on the channel, especially the name change. So it's still my name, just the change from Guinea Review to Obed KB. Obed KB is my name, so I just thought to use my name, right? But you don't have to worry, you'll be getting even greater content. I'll be putting out a lot of stuff, subjects on architecture, construction, building material reviews, house tours, and then presentation tips to help students and professionals, with a little bias though to architects and architecture, really. So I want you to stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and then do well to share the video too with people you believe like this kind of stuff. So I'll see you soon. Stay blessed, and let's do great things together. Have a good one.